Hey everyone, welcome to Beachin Adventures. Shawna and Dan, and we are here on the beautiful Valiant Lady. And I'm going to give you a tour of the Posh Suite, which is a Mega Rockstar Suite. It's room 15299Z, and let's go. So as soon as you come in, there are the controls. So this is your heating and cooling, light switch, and this is the service button. We need service or you want do not disturb. And look at this room. This is amazing. We didn't know what to expect, and it exceeded our expectations. So this is the living area. You can see you have a couch with a lounger. It pulls out to a bed, so this actually sleeps 4 people. Over here is the entertainment area. We have a guitar. I can't play the guitar. Maybe Dan will try. We have TV, Nintendo Switch. Down here, we have some games for the Nintendo Switch if we want to play some games. A ton of outlets. So you have European and American outlets here. There's also USB outlets, globe if you want to see where in the world you are. And then over here is our bar. Our bar is completely stocked and it is restocked. So our Rockstar agent is Martin. Shout out to him. We've already asked for some changes to some of our liquors, which he is going to do. And it's bottomless. So he'll come in twice a day. If a bottle is half or less, he will automatically replenish them. We also have our water. We're still on sparkling. You can keep both of them on hand. If you prefer one or the other, they can do that. And a nice bucket. Down here is our fridge. And this is stocked with sodas, wine, Moet, energy drinks, beer. And again, those are all unlimited for us as Mega Rock Stars. Martin, when he stopped by, he brought a little box of chocolates. They're so cute. And over here is our turntable. Now, we've already asked Martin to change some of the records, which he said he would be happy to do. So we should have some really good records coming in. And then here is our bar. Oh, looks like we're missing some glasses. But we've got talls, we've got margarita, martini. Looks like we're missing the Collins glasses. So we need to get those taken care of. But this is the living area. But wait, there's more. There's more. So let's go this way. Here are the closets. So on this side, shelves and drawers and a safe. On this side, it's a pretty good sized closet for 2 people. Over here, we have a half bath. So if one of you is using the big bath and the other one needs to use it, or if you have guests, you have an extra bathroom. And then over here is our big bathroom. Let's take a look. It's a little bit different than the bathroom we were in December. So huge marble bathroom. You've got the rain shower head, upgraded toiletries, a window that overlooks the bed. Now, if you're not comfortable with this, Virgin will put a cover over that, but I think that's kind of cool. You have a separate wet room area, and then the marble sink with plenty of storage. Makeup towels, which are a nice touch. I really appreciate those. And plenty of storage underneath. So this is the bathroom. It's massive. And then over here, we have the bedroom side. So it's not 2 full rooms, but it's got that partition. So it gives you some privacy. If you were to have guests or if you were to bring another 2 people, they could sleep on the couch. And this is the main bedroom. King size bed. Now the king size bed cannot be split. So you're sharing with whoever you're in the room with. Both sides have ample plugs, USB. and American plugs. All of the light controls are there. Now, both rooms have an iPad that takes care of the TVs, lights, um, curtains. So you have one for each room. Again, a TV here. Over here is a vanity area. In the vanity, you have a blow dryer. I would say if you have curly hair like mine, bring your own. They're not very strong, but they do provide that. A small chair to sit. There's the blanket and the towels. And this is the bedroom. And last but not least, 3 doors to our beautiful balcony. We are in Port Miami right now. Over on this side, the iconic hammock. Haven't been in this one yet, but I spent a lot of time on mine in December. You have an outdoor shower if you want to shower outside. Over here, we have 2 loungers. Oh, here's Terminal B. You see it? We have had such an ease of getting on the ship, on this ship in our December cruise. I can't say enough about Virgin and the embarkation process. And over here, we have 2 stools and a champagne table. And we have a sofa. So there'll be plenty of room out here to entertain or just to stretch out if it's just too people. But so far, we have been really impressed and we're really in love with this room. There are 3 doors, the one from the bedroom, one that's in the middle, and then this one stays back into the living room. So this is the tour of the Posh Suite on the Valiant Lady, room 15299Z. If this sparks your interest, if you'd love to give this room a try, stay here and party like a mega rock star, just let us know. Make sure you like and subscribe our channel, and we look forward to sharing with you our days on the Valiant Lady.